We're equally privileged to have with us today Division Director for Compliance Citation, Mr. Ramdas. So your presence today gives an augmented dimension to this workshop and sends a strong signal to the region that we are all in this part together. I still wish to thank the WCO for considering our regional training center for the delivery of this important event. Last year, we hosted the WCO Financial Intelligence Companion Sub-Regional Workshop, which was designed and constructed and financed by the US Department of State, INF. Some of the areas where we have received capacity building assistance include narcotic investigation course, combating drug trafficking, undercover surveillance techniques, online asset recovery, maritime awareness domain, port security and safety of navigation, and physical security of port infrastructure, among others. It was mentioning that the beneficiary of those training were not limited to MOD prisons, but also include the Mauritius Police Force, NCT and AXU, the PMO's office, DPP's office, FSL, NPA, the Ministry of Blue Economy, Fisheries and Shipping. Ladies and gentlemen, in line with the vision of the government, MOD is fully committed to combating transnational organized crime, which threatens our national security and hinders the social, economic, political, and cultural development of our society. In an increasingly interconnected world, the harm done by these crimes is global, affecting the integrity, stability of the international finance system of society. Therefore, the need to find correct measures and design the right policies to prevent and combat this crime is stronger, more so than ever, if we want to protect our society and financial system. Terrorism financing and money go hand in hand as they exploit the vulnerability of our system, so we need to work together and fight back. Ladies and gentlemen, I have gone through the agenda of the workshop, and I commend the WCU for its attempt to cover the maximum in terms of cash, gems, precious metals, precious stones, smuggling, and how to carry out effective ML CTF investigation. The various environmental crime with the challenges and strategies with us, how laundering is connected to wildlife crime as well. I strongly believe that the ESA regional workshop will offer the right platform to discuss the challenges and counter custom administration in the region, their values, and also set light on the best practice and standards that need to be applied to successfully deal with them. Vice Chair, Ms. Prandas, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you